As the world continues to evolve, so do our security needs. With the increasing number of break-ins and burglaries, it's important to take your home security seriously. Smart home security systems offer a convenient and effective way to keep your home safe and secure. In today's video, we'll be covering the key features for this smart home security system, including motion detection, remote access, and compatibility with other smart home devices. Please note the link to find the best price on the product mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade your existing security system, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to learn how you can keep your home safe and secure with this smart home security.